Who out there around San Diego? I bet you don't hear him now. I bet you don't hear that person out there around San Diego right now. John Denver, the king of California, out here in the patio is getting on down.
Hey, John Denver, you just showing out, Cat and Picker. John Denver, why you showing out for that homeboy? 486 in the bam right back.
Hey, 486. Hey, 486, man. Shoot, man. I just gotta let them boys know who the king is, man, when I sit on the throne with my cardboard crown. I was over there at Big Phil's house most of the morning, man. I was just waiting for the shade to come in out here on the kind of picking patio so I can get down with my bad self. Hello there, 486. I think you were around Georgia. John Denver, the king of California, rocking this mail.
Hey, 410 Roger there. John Denver, now it's 486 in the big bam. Hey, John Denver, I'm out here in this big old Cotton State, 480 sticks right back.
Oh, John Denver over here still sitting back here reading this raggedy mail with this worldwide mall down. Let all them boys get their thing on out there. When I keep this thing down, none of them boys can hear what they're... Nobody can hear what they can talk about. The San Diego Rocky Mountain High. San Diego Rocky Mountain High. I see all those mud runners in the sky. And when they try to keep, all you hear is me. Rocky Mountain High, San Diego. I can hear myself on the mess. 919 Northern Cal.
Hey, 919. 919, I just got to tell you, Cat and Picker, you got all up in John Denver's stuff. Hey, 919, you put the bump down on John Denver, 486, and this old bam got down.
Big old 525 in the big ditch out here in the Grand Canyon. I think I hear about 486, man. That's about it. I think I hear about 486. That's about all I heard, man. It is getting so rough out there. Over to Andy with 486. Rocking on. The thought process, I didn't...
Hey, John Denver. John Denver. At 919 is making it rough and tough on you, Cat and Picker. Hey, John Denver. At 919 is trying to put the bump down on you, man. 486, and I got down.
Oh, 685. That's about a little more than good. 685, man. It's dropping down the world of sound, man. Hard to hear. John Denver, the king of California. I got this mall down on all them boys. But I can't hear what's going on. One of them upside down tomato cage antennas is what he's doing. He ought to be out there pulling the tomatoes off of that darn antenna is what he ought to be doing. Send it right back your way. Hey, good afternoon, good evening from 919 on the west side. We're standing by. Damn, it's rough out there again. I ain't got no tomato plants this way. Damn it, now let me get out of here. I'm going to get some... I heard you out there hollering, but there's just too many of them in there, and it's pretty noisy. I'll take a standby and see what happens. 919 on the west side, and we're off the key.
Hey, 919, keep that Cat and Picker bump down. 919, because I appreciate it when you clean out that John Denver, man. 919, that west side received cleaner your 486 in a bam, and I'm stood by.
I guess sometimes it's just my turn. I appreciate the flowers, but sometimes it's just my turn. My turn in the box. 919 on the west side. San Diego.
Hey, 410 Roger, the 919. I ate them. 486, and I'm gone.
Hello.